Students, I have come up with one more objective for NEET students, and this objective involves kinetic friction and Newton's law. It's a block here on a surface which has a friction, and you are applying a force of 20 Newton in the forward direction. And the body is already accelerating with acceleration 3 meter per second square. You have a block and you are applying a force, and the body is accelerating in the forward direction. So that means kinetic friction will be involved because body is in motion. So we have to find, and the mass of the body is 5 kg, and gravitational force will act downwards towards the center of the earth, and normal reaction will be upwards. As there is no motion in the vertical direction, n will be equal to mg. Okay, now what we have to find? Find coefficient of kinetic friction. Step number one, to solve this problem, step number one, as the body is in motion, so the thing that we will consider is the kinetic friction. So what is the kinetic friction? Kinetic friction is always equal to mu n. It is step number first. And n is mg because there is no vertical motion. In the vertical direction is in equilibrium, so n is equal to mg. So we will write mu m and g. So it will be kinetic friction will be equal to mu k will be better. Mu k kinetic friction, m is 5 and g should be taken as 10. Take g as 10 meter per second square. So it is Fk is equal to 50 mu k. So it is the force of kinetic friction which is opposed to the applied force, because the motion in the forward direction and kinetic friction has to be in the backward direction. Step number second. Here we will be using Newton's law. Newton's law is acceleration of any block is net force by mass. Acceleration of any system is net force on the system divided by mass. और जिसको आप लिखते हैं F is equal to ma. और उसको in other words लिखा जा सकता है acceleration of the whole system or acceleration of the body. We have to find the net force on the body and we have to divide that by mass. So applying Newton's law, second step, applying Newton's law, that is acceleration is equal to F net divided by mass. That is the rule. Now, so what is A? That is given to be 3 meter per second square. And what is F net? That is forward force is 20 and backward is Fk. That is F minus Fk divided by what is mass? That is 5. Okay. So here it is 3 equal to F me 20 and what is Fk? That is 50 mu k divided by 5. So it is 15 equal to 20 minus 50 mu k. Get this 50 onto the left side. 50 mu k is equal to 20 minus 15, that is 5. Mu k is equal to 5 by 50, that is 0.1. That is the answer. So it is a simple case of Newton's law. You have a block on the surface which has a friction. You apply a force of 20 Newton. The body is already accelerating in the forward direction. That is what you call as in the forward direction. And frictional force will come in the will be opposed to the applied force. And what you have to do, the frictional force, kinetic friction, is just equal to mu n, mu kn, and n is already mg because there is no motion in the vertical direction. The vertical force is balanced, and then you use Newton's law, acceleration of net force by mass. Net force is applied force minus frictional force, kinetic, divided by mass, and then you go through the two steps and mu k is equal to 0.1. That is the answer. If you like this question, you subscribe to the channel and ask others to share the channel, so that students get benefited. Because I'm every day uploading these questions, which are most expected questions at NEET level, because NEET level is this, and I'm also uploading questions which can be asked at the IIT level, IIT mains and advanced level. So I'm continuously doing this to support students, to benefit students, and it is now the students that should share these lectures, and also they should subscribe so that they will get benefited every day. So every evening they will watch the lecture and they will certainly be benefited. Thank you.